explorers, welcome back to Matilda Tour. Today we are embarking on an exciting road trip to the stunning Qeshm Island, nestled in the south of Iran. Join me as we navigate through the journey, uncovering the ins and outs of the traveling by car to this enchanting destination. Our adventures begins at Pol Port, the gateway to Qeshm Island. As we set the hills in motion, the anticipation of the road trip ahead is palpable. Pol Port serves as a starting point for our journey, and excitement is building. Before we embark on the ferry, we need to navigate through the gate and take care of the essentials. Here's a tip. Be prepared to pay a tax of 325 Tomans for each car, passengers included. That's roughly $6 based on the today's exchange rate. Once that's sorted, we are ready to board the ferry. With the paperwork done, we drive onto the ferry, ready to set sail. The ferry ride takes us across the mesmerizing water, a journey that lasts about 20 minutes. The gentle sway of the sea and breeze in the air create a serene atmosphere, offering a picturesque introduction to what awaits us on Qeshm Island. As we approach Qeshm, the last part unfolds before us. This is where our island adventure truly begins. The ferry operates almost every 30 minutes, providing a super easy and cost-effective way to travel to Qeshm Island. The convenience of this ferry service with departures up to 11 p.m. makes it an ideal choice for travelers. And there you have it, a seamless journey from Pol Port to Qeshm Island by car. An easy, affordable, and scenic route that anyone can take to explore the wonders of this captive island. If you enjoy this travel vlog, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Matilda Tour for more adventures. Until next time, happy travelers!